I just turned 3 random ideas into working mobile apps that accept real payments, and I did it all from my phone while sitting in a coffee shop. If you've been sitting on app ideas for months because you thought you needed to learn Python or hire a $10,000 developer, what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. Subscribe to Padded Vibes channel right now because we reveal the most powerful AI tools every single week. Drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. Let's jump straight in. Here's the brutal truth about app development. Most people never launch their ideas because the moment they start researching, they hit a wall of complexity. Backend frameworks, database architecture, PI integration, hosting configurations. By day 3, they're watching YouTube tutorials about JavaScript promises and questioning their life choices. I'm going to show you a completely different path. An AI platform that builds production-ready apps through simple conversations. No code. No technical setup. No mental breakdowns. The platform is called Codeflying, and before you think this is another useless no-code toy, let me show you what it actually does. Most no-code builders give you drag-and-drop interfaces for front-end design. That's it. You still need third-party tools for your database. Separate services for authentication. External platforms for payments. Codeflying is different. It generates the entire technology stack from one text description. Front-end interface. Backend logic. Database structure. User authentication. Payment processing. Live hosting. Everything a real app needs to function and make money. Here's how insanely simple this is. Open Codeflying on your phone. Type what you want to build in plain English. The AI generates your complete app in under 5 minutes. You test it immediately on your phone. Make tweaks through chat. Publish with one click. That's the entire process. Let me prove this works by building something live right now. I'm going to create a subscription tracker app. Something that helps people see all their monthly subscriptions in one place and warns them when renewal dates are coming up. Opening Codeflying. Clicking Create New App. Here's my text prompt. Build me a subscription management app. Users can add subscription services with name, cost, billing date, and category. Show total monthly spending. Send alerts 3 days before renewal. Include charts showing spending by category. Make it mobile-friendly with clean design. Hitting Generate. Watch what happens. The AI is now building my entire application. It's writing the code for data input forms, creating the database tables to store subscription information, setting up the calculation logic for monthly totals, designing the chart visualizations, building the alert system. All of this is happening automatically while I literally do nothing. This took exactly 4 minutes. I now have a working app. Let me show you the screens. Home screen shows total monthly spending with a big number at the top. Below that is a list of all active subscriptions sorted by renewal date. Add subscription screen has clean input fields for service name, monthly cost, billing date, and category dropdown. Analytics screen shows a pie chart breaking down spending by category. Streaming services, software, gym memberships, whatever categories the user creates. This app is fully functional right now. I can add test data. The calculations work. The charts update in real time. The interface is responsive and looks professional. I built this in 4 minutes, 0 lines of code written by me. But here's where it gets even better. Every app you create in Codeflying comes with a complete management backend. Click into the dashboard. This is what you see. User analytics showing how many people signed up, active users, and session data. App performance metrics tracking load times and errors. Database viewer where you can see all the data your users are creating. Traffic sources showing where your users are coming from. This isn't a toy project. This is production-level infrastructure that normally requires DevOps engineers and expensive hosting platforms. You get it automatically with every app. Now let's talk about the part that actually matters. Making money from your apps. Codeflying has built-in payment integration. You can connect Stripe in under 2 minutes. No complex API setup. No webhook configuration nightmares. Just link your Stripe account and tell the AI what you want to charge for. For this subscription tracker app, I could add a premium tier. Free users can track up to 5 subscriptions. Premium users get unlimited subscriptions plus advanced analytics for $5 per month. I tell Codeflying to add this payment tier through the chat. It generates the subscription logic, payment flow, and access controls automatically. Now I have a freemium app that can generate recurring revenue. This is the exact same monetization model that SaaS companies use. Except they spend 6 months and $50,000 building it. I just did it in 10 minutes for free. Let me give you 3 more app ideas you could build this week and actually make money from. Idea 1. Niche community directory. Build a location-based directory for a specific community. Dog-friendly restaurants in your city. Co-working spaces with fast Wi-Fi. Vintage clothing stores. Charge businesses $20 per month to be featured. The app is simple. Search by location. Filter by category. Business profiles with photos and contact info. User reviews. Tell Codeflying to build this. Add Stripe payments. Share it with local Facebook groups. You could have paying customers by next week. Idea 2. Micro SaaS for freelancers. Build a client invoice tracker. Freelancers add clients, log projects, generate invoices, track payment status. Charge $10 per month for unlimited invoices and client management. Market it on Reddit freelance communities and Twitter. There are millions of freelancers who hate complicated accounting software. They just need something dead simple. Your app solves this. Codeflying builds it in 10 minutes. You market it for a month. Boom, you have a side income. Idea 3. Habit tracker with accountability. Build a daily habit tracker where users can share their streaks publicly with friends. Monetize through in-app purchases. Premium themes for $2. Detailed analytics for $5. Custom habit templates for $3. This taps into the wellness and productivity market, which is massive. Position it as the social accountability habit tracker. All 3 of these apps are buildable today using Codeflying. No technical skills required. No massive time investment. Just clear descriptions and simple tweaks. Now let me walk you through exactly how to get started. Step 1. Click the link in the description. It takes you directly to Codeflying. Step 2. Sign up with your email. The free tier gives you enough to build and test multiple apps. Step 3. Click Create Application. You'll see a chat interface. Step 4. Describe your app in one detailed paragraph. Include what it does, who uses it, main features, and any special requirements. Step 5. Let Codeflying generate everything. This takes 3 to 8 minutes depending on complexity. Step 6. Test your app immediately on your phone. Add sample data. Click through every screen. Check if everything works as expected. Step 7. Refine through chat. Say things like make the home screen simpler, add a dark mode option, or change the color scheme to blue and white. Step 8. Once you're happy, click Publish. Your app becomes a live web application with a shareable link. You can send this link to anyone. They open it on their phone or computer and start using your app immediately. No App Store approval. No complicated deployment. One click and you're live. Here's what makes this different from hiring a developer or learning to code yourself. Hiring a developer costs $5,000 to $20,000 for a simple app. Takes 2 to 6 months. Requires constant communication and revisions. You don't own the code and future changes cost more money. Learning to code yourself takes 6 to 12 months of study before you can build anything useful. Requires understanding multiple languages and frameworks. High chance of giving up when things get frustrating. Using Codeflying costs nothing to start. Takes 10 minutes to build a working prototype. You can iterate and improve through simple conversations. You own everything and can export the code if needed. The barrier isn't technical anymore. It's just having a clear idea and the willingness to actually try. Let me give you a challenge right now. After watching this video, build one app this week. Pick something small and useful. A birthday reminder app. A book reading tracker. A simple budget calculator. A local event calendar. Spend 15 minutes describing it to Codeflying. Test it on your phone. Share the link with 5 friends. See if they actually use it. If they do, you've just validated a real product idea. Now you can add premium features and monetization. If they don't use it, no big deal. You only spent 15 minutes. Try another idea tomorrow. This is how you find product market fit. Rapid experimentation with zero financial risk. The people making money with apps in 2026 aren't the ones with computer science degrees. They're the ones who understand problems and use AI to build solutions fast. Your unfair advantage is speed. While someone else is still planning and budgeting for a developer, you've already launched 3 apps and found what works. Everything I showed you today is accessible right now. No waiting list. No credit card required to start. Just free AI tools waiting for you to use them. If this video just removed every excuse you had for not launching your app idea, smash that like button and subscribe to Padded Vibes channel. Drop a comment with your app idea. I'll reply with tips on how to build it with Codeflying. I'll see you in the next one.